What is it about James Bond that just makes him the ultimate male movie character? It's not just the cars, the gadgets, or even the martinis, but it's about how he carries himself. Today's vlog, we're going to take 6 lessons from the man himself, 007, that you can start applying to your life today to level up another notch. So let's get to it. We have to face facts, gents, that Bond's got it all. You know, he's got style, he's got an amazing skill set, and of course, he's got that ability to remain calm under pressure. But what makes Bond more than just a fictional movie character is that he actually represents timeless traits that all men can learn from. So let's break down these 6 lessons from Bond that will make you just a stronger, more charismatic version of yourself. Bond's style is legendary, from his tailored suits to his casual outfits. He knows the importance of clothing. He knows that what you wear can speak volumes about who you are. But the interesting thing when you actually watch Bond is that he doesn't just wear the clothes, he wears confidence. Style isn't about chasing trends. I've said it time and time again. It's about mastering the classics, investing in well-fitted pieces, tailored suits, quality shoes, quality accessories, all the items that will help to elevate your look. Now, the key is obviously in the details. Again, something that I've mentioned before. When you put effort into how you present yourself, you will find that you will command attention without even saying a word. Bond's physical fitness is probably one of his most defining traits. You know, he's strong, he's agile, and he's more or less ready for anything life throws at him. But his fitness isn't just there to make his tailored suit look better on him. It's all about functionality. Strength and fitness are the main foundation for any man's resilience. You know, take Bond. His body is his tool for survival, and it shouldn't be any different for you. A stronger body leads to a stronger mind. Again, this is something that I've touched on previous videos, but I go to the gym a minimum of 4 times a week. I watch what I eat. I practice strength training. And as a result, I find that not only do I look better, but I feel better. I feel more energized. And I feel as if I'm ready for anything life throws at me. So make sure that you prioritize your health. Make sure you prioritize your fitness. If you're not going to the gym, go to the gym, or at the very least, start getting that daily physical exercise in. Bond's ability to stay cool, calm and composed when he's under pressure is another one of his most valuable traits. It doesn't matter the situation he's in, he never falters, he remains calm, he keeps his cool. Being calm under pressure is a skill that you can develop. But if you find yourself in a stressful situation, take a deep breath, remain calm, remain composed, act with clarity. By doing this, not only will it allow you to deal with the situation at hand, but it will also inspire confidence in anyone that's around you. Bond doesn't just get by on muscle and intelligence. His charm and etiquette are just as lethal. You may have noticed that he's mastered the art of reading a room, whether he's at a black tie event or in the middle of a covert operation. He knows just how important these 2 skills are. Being able to master social settings is just as important as physical strength. Bond's ability to be able to connect with people, to charm his allies, or even negotiate with his enemies just shows the power of social grace. Being the loudest one in the room isn't the only way to attract attention. Practice good manners, practice active listening, have an approachable yet confident demeanour. All these small skill sets really go a long way in any social setting. Bond's confidence isn't just about his actions, it's about his belief in himself. No matter what the situation, he knows that he's got the skills, the intelligence, and the strength to be able to succeed. Confidence is the cornerstone of manliness, but a lot of guys get this wrong, particularly younger guys. They seem to think that if they have this air of arrogance, that makes them appear confident, but they couldn't actually be further from the truth. Confidence is built out of preparation, out of experience, and having self-belief. If you want to improve your confidence, guys, start believing in your own ability. Step outside of your comfort zone. Start embracing challenges. Bond is nothing if not resourceful. You know, he's always adapting to his environment. He uses whatever tools are available to him to get the job done. Life will never give you exactly what you want. Sometimes you just have to make do with what's available. But Bond teaches us that by being adaptable and resourceful is a key ingredient for success. So whether you're facing a tough situation or simply trying to solve a problem, always think creatively and be ready to pivot. The more adaptable you are to the situation, the more likely you are to succeed, and the more likely you're going to be able to handle anything that life throws at you. James Bond embodies traits that make him more than just a fictional spy. He's a man who knows how to master every aspect of his life. Style, strength, confidence, adaptability. These are the traits that separate the average from the extraordinary. So if you think any of these 6 lessons could be helpful, then start applying them to your own life, gents. You don't have to be a secret agent to live like one. But you do have to stay sharp, stay confident, and keep evolving. So if you have enjoyed today's vlog, please remember to hit that like button. And also write in the comment section, the name's Bond, James Bond. That will let me know that you watched this right to the very end. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please remember to do that. It's absolutely free to do, but every one of your subscriptions helps the channel to continue to grow. Anyway, enjoy whatever you're doing for the rest of the day, and I'll get back to you again soon.